Better buff. Better buff. Surely, dude. Holy shit. Maybe I could one-hit him, bro. I got the better buff and I got the tertiary shots. Dude, if he puts the knight down, we go here. We go here. Shoot! Oh, that's perfect. Oh, 3,000 damage! What the fuck? Oh my god, 3,000 damage! Oh my god, dude. That was insane. Alright, now our musketeer's gonna cook him. And we could level him up with a better buff. Oh, fuck, dude, it was on the night! How was it on the night? How was it on the night? Tell me how that got on the night instead of the flying machine, bro. Rewind. Rewatch. Redo. Supercell. Oops. Dude, I'm not playing good. I'm not playing good. It killed it! Oh my god! That's fucking insane, dude. Dude, I can't. Dude, that's so fucking funny, bro. Oh, man. I love it. Oh, I love it. Dude, again. Buff it, buff the firecracker. Yeah. Okay, come on. Surely. Oh, it used the shot right there. We needed to load up the charged shot. This is it. The shot. Fireball. Oh my god, he's getting fucked up by these firecrackers. Oh my god, and the musketeers just doing work for me. I'm so happy. Like this emote, I'm so happy.